Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix this page isn't available right now. So as if you are facing this problem on your Facebook while trying to reach a post or trying to open a post on your Facebook, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you will have to make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection, drag down your control center, and from here check your internet connection. So guys, if your internet connection is working properly, then change your internet connection and check. So guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, then use your mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then use your Wi-Fi and check the problem if it is fixed. So after this, go for the second solution, that is you will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So for that, open up settings in your device and from here scroll it below and scroll it below again, and from here tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management, and from here check if there is any connected VPN in your device. So I disconnect the connected VPN, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So after this, go for the next solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to reset network settings in your device. So for that, open the general section again, and from here tap on transfer or reset, and tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and reset network settings in your device. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not, or if you are still facing this problem, then the reason will be that the page which you are trying right now is deleted from the other side, or the page has been removed from the other side. So this is the reason to fix this problem if you're facing this problem on Facebook. So that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.